Hi, it's Lorraine here at the Detox World Healing and Training Center, and I am at the Calgary airport just waiting to board my first flight on my way to Australia. And I wanted to pick up some water because you can't take it through security, so I grabbed an extra water container, jug thing, and after I got here, I picked up 2 of these really big Smart Waters, and I'm just about to put my black diamond in the one. So I've got my black diamond in my purse, and I made sure that the water that I picked up wasn't cold, as it mixes in better if it's not cold. But it's starting to mix. Let me see if I can, there. You can kind of see that in that one. It's just starting to, maybe there, now you can see it. It's coming down in there. And that is the black diamond going into my water right there. So I have 2 of these to drink on my first flight, and then I think I've got about a couple hours wait in LA, and then I'm flying from LA to Sydney, and that's the long one, over 15 hours. Woohoo! I've come prepared. I've got some jet lag homeopathics, so I've already taken a couple already, because you're supposed to start a few hours before you fly. So I've already taken some, and I've got a friend who gave me some of these amazing earphones with a program specific for sleep. So I'm going to be wearing those on the long trip, and hopefully I can find 3 seats together where I can, where nobody else is sitting, and I can just stretch out and have a good sleep on my way to Sydney. That's a long flight, and then that way I won't be so jet lagged. But anymore, I'm going to show you this water one more time here. It's amazing. Look at that. Look at that. It is going all the way down right to the bottom. You can see it. But I love the way it looks as it's coming down. Where are we? Right there. There. Now you can see it coming down. So I hope you guys are having a beautiful start to your weekend, and I'll keep you posted. I love you guys. Have a good one.